Ever watch a gymnast hold their whole body up on one hand and just think, how? Meanwhile, a stubborn jar lid has you feeling defeated. What's the deal? Well, it all comes down to this tiny, incredible tug-of-war happening inside your muscles. Right now, here's how it works. It starts in your brain. It sends a signal down to your muscle, and that signal releases a flood of calcium. Think of that calcium like a key. It unlocks these tiny docks on thin protein strands called actin. That's when the real workhorses kick in, the myosin filaments. These guys have little heads that act like microscopic grappling hooks. They latch onto those unlocked docks on the actin. Then, using a burst of energy from your body's fuel called ATP, they pull. They yank those actin strands inward in what's called a power stroke. Now, imagine millions, no billions, of these tiny pulls all happening at once. That synchronized pull is what makes your entire muscle contract. So, pure strength isn't just about having big muscles. It's about your brain and nerves being a master conductor. It's about how many of these muscle fibers they can recruit at once, and how fast and in sync they can fire. That neural command is the real secret sauce. Your body is honestly a masterpiece of engineering. And this is just the beginning. Your journey to understanding it all starts right here with us. If this blew your mind, hit that like button. It truly helps our new channel grow. And if you know someone else who'd find this cool, please share it. Thanks for hanging out. Let's keep discovering the wonders of wellness together.